Firstly, working with lists. So what are lists? Again, a list is a versatile data structure used to store a collection of items. So if you have like a collection of items, a list is a great um, consideration there. AI guidance, when it comes to lists, does really well in providing a set of data that you're looking for, depending on what you prompt it. So it will help you. It will help you basically manipulate the data that you want from the creation stage all the way to the optimization stage and final stages of development. And again, a list, as mentioned, is a mutable set or a mutable storage of items. Okay, so anything you put in there can be changed. You can change data in a list. Okay, so look at the example here, the prompt that we sent to ChatGPT. So if we want to focus on AI guidance here, um, you're going to want to prompt AI properly with the appropriate information. So here what we're going to do as an example, we're going to ask ChatGPT to create a list of integers and demonstrate how to append and remove elements. Okay, so we're asking for a basic list creation, and then additionally, we also want it to append and remove elements within a list. You can basically take out some elements, you can input some elements. Think of list, if you've ever worked in other programming languages, sort of like an array. Okay, it's just Python has its own verbiage, it has its own selection of words that it uses. Okay, so you can think of it that way if you wish. Now, here we have two examples. Well, we have a my underscore list created for the list name. And then in here you have just a simple list counting from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as integers. And then on the bottom here, what we're doing is we're appending and removing. So you would do the my underscore list dot append, and then you would select which one you want to append. And then you can also select which element you want to remove. Okay, so you could prompt ChatGPT to do all this for you, and we're actually going to look at a good example or two of real world applications using lists.